what move do I make in the world to make this thing real? What did you do?
So, I mean, the first thing I struggled with was just getting all the kit together. So I remember that being the first obstacle was I don't really want to start advertising anything if I'm not prepared to do the treatment. And it's down to the training company I went with, who are no longer with us. But I was basically just had the theoretical training, and I didn't even know where to order stuff from. So that's the first thing. When we started training, I made sure there's a really good answer for that. So we have our starter pack and other things. But that was a significant barrier. And the longer I felt unequipped to treat, almost like your confidence starts to fade. So the first thing is getting all your stuff ready. And the next thing, actually kind of before then, I had the idea of like I wouldn't have called it this in those days, but what's your route to market? How are you going to get customers? And I just copied Beatrice, basically. She had 5 salons. I was like, right, great. I'll just go and try and find a salon that will have me, which was very nerve-wracking for me because I'd never walked into a salon before. They were like a different universe. I mean, we've been to so many hundreds now that, I feel like that's completely gone. But in those days, it was an awkward thing for me to walk into a salon and say, can I do treatments here? So, but that was the first thing. I knew that my route to market was going to be salons. And yeah, and I went off you helped me a lot, and we started getting a couple of salons.